Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to show you how you can actually go in Google Photos and delete your backed up images from Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. If I go in my gallery here and let's say I uploaded these 3 images to Google Photos, I back them up to Google Photos and then I go in Google Photos, I'll see these 3 files, 2 photos and 1 video backed up to Google Photos. And from here, if I select these 2 and move them to trash or I delete them, and go back to my gallery, you will see that they have been removed from the gallery. So this is a real problem. Maybe you don't want to do that. I've restored both the files back to Google Photos from the trash. And now what you need to do is open photos.google.com in your browser on your phone. You can also do it on your desktop. So here I've opened photos.google.com in my Chrome browser, and then you have to log in with the Google account in which you're using Google Photos app and back up your images there. You will see your backed up images right there. Now from here, if you delete an image and let's say a video, it will be deleted from the Google Photos. And now if you go in your gallery, you will still see them in your gallery. So that means they have only been deleted from the Google Photos and not from your phone. And if you go back to your Google Photos app, you will see that they are still present on the phone. That's why they are showing here, but they don't have this backup icon on them. So that means they are not backed up to Google Photos anymore. So this is how you can delete photos from your Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. I hope this video helps you out. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.